Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing the concept of ADR and its significance in enhancing the justice system in Pakistan. ADR includes processes like mediation, arbitration, and conciliation, which provide parties with a means to resolve disputes without traditional litigation. Let's start with an introduction to ADR. ADR includes methods like mediation, arbitration, and conciliation, which allows people to resolve disputes without formal court trials. This is a flexible and often less costly approach to settle the disputes, which is becoming more crucial as our legal system faces more challenges. ADR in Pakistan have deep roots in traditional practices like panchayats and jargas, which resolved disputes locally through elders of the community. During British rule, the formal court system was introduced, but it led to longer, costlier procedures that did not always fit local needs. After independence, Pakistan retained this structure, but growing caseloads exposed its limitation. In response, laws in 1980s and 1990s started incorporating ADR, and the 2002 Small Claims and Minor Offences Ordinance mandated ADR for minor cases, formalizing it as a part of justice system. Recently, DRCs and mediation centers have strengthened ADR, providing more accessible and efficient options for the justice. In Pakistan, DRCs have been established in various regions to promote ADR. These councils resolve minor dispute at community level, offering an accessible, informal, and quick resolution process. Especially in the rural areas, DRCs play a critical role by providing a local alternative to the formal court system. Now let's talk about the importance and benefits of ADR. Firstly, ADR is cost effective. Resolving disputes through ADR is much cheaper than going to court. Number 2, ADR saves the time. ADR provides quicker resolution, reducing the time people spend in lengthy trials. Then ADR is confidential and the sessions are private, which is particularly valuable in sensitive matters. Lastly, ADR preserves relationships. Since ADR is less adversarial, it helps maintain relationships, especially in family and business disputes. Moving forward to the key legal provisions supporting ADR mechanism, they are CPC, Arbitration Act 1940, and Alternative Dispute Resolution Act 2017. In CPC, amendments have been done to promote mediation in civil cases, enabling court to refer specific disputes to ADR, especially in family and commercial matters. The Arbitration Act established the procedure for the arbitration, and Alternative Dispute Resolution Act 2017 was a major step forward, especially establishing ADR mechanism in civil disputes and allowing trained mediators to facilitate resolution outside the court, thus making ADR more accessible and formalized. The judiciary of Pakistan has been instrumental in advancing ADR as an essential part of the justice system. Firstly, the judiciary established system that facilitated ADR, making it accessible to the general public. Secondly, continuous training for judges on ADR techniques promotes its effective use in resolving disputes. Thirdly, encouraging ADR helps in significant reduction of the caseloads in courts, improving its efficiencies. And lastly, the judiciary encourages the parties to negotiate and settle the matter by ADR. In future, establishing uniform laws for ADR can increase trust and clarity in the process. Also, the mediator training can enhance their skills, and knowledge of mediator is essential for effective dispute. Also, using technology for ADR platforms can streamline the process and make ADR more accessible. Lastly, integration with formal courts and collaboration between ADR and courts can lead to a more powerful justice system. To conclude, ADR plays a vital role in enhancing justice in Pakistan. By providing a faster, cost-effective, and accessible way to resolve disputes, ADR also supports our judicial system and empowers citizens. While the challenges remain, the potential for ADR to transform the delivery of justice is significant, and with continued efforts, ADR can become an integral part of Pakistan's legal landscape.